Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Vivo V40e, a phone that's making waves in 2025 with its sleek design and solid performance. If you're looking for a mid-range device that offers premium features without breaking the bank, this one might be for you. Let us break down everything you need to know about the Vivo V40e. Starting with the exterior, Vivo has once again delivered a stunning design. The phone comes with a slim and lightweight body, making it comfortable to hold and easy to carry. The back panel has a glossy finish that gives it a premium look, and depending on the variant, it reflects light beautifully. The camera module is neatly arranged, with the modern aesthetic that doesn't look cluttered. The fingerprint sensor is embedded under the display, ensuring a clean back panel. It also retains an IP rating for dust and splash resistance, which adds durability to the device. The display is one of the highlights of this phone. Vivo has packed in a large AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel smooth. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the peak brightness ensures good visibility even under direct sunlight. The screen-to-body ratio is impressive, thanks to minimal bezels and a punch-hole camera cutout. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing, this display won't disappoint. Performance-wise, the Vivo V40e is powered by a capable chipset that balances efficiency and power. It handles everyday tasks with ease and even manages gaming quite well. With an optimized cooling system, overheating isn't a major issue, even during longer gaming sessions. The phone comes with ample RAM and storage options, ensuring that multitasking is smooth and there's enough space for apps, photos, and videos. The camera setup is another strong point. Vivo has equipped this phone with a high-resolution main sensor that captures sharp and detailed shots in daylight. Night mode enhances low-light photography, reducing noise and improving clarity. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing landscapes, while the macro and depth sensors add versatility. The front camera delivers crisp selfies with natural skin tones and a good amount of background blur. AI enhancements improve shots automatically, making sure you get the best possible results. Battery life is always a concern, and Vivo has done a good job here. The V40e packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day on moderate usage. With fast charging support, you can quickly top up the battery when needed, reducing downtime. Power-saving features help extend battery life even further when you're running low. Software plays a key role in the user experience, and Vivo has optimized its UI to feel smooth and intuitive. The phone runs on the latest version of FuntouchOS, based on Android, bringing customization options, smart features, and improved security. Bloatware is kept to a minimum, and updates promise to keep the device running efficiently over time. Connectivity is well covered with support for 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and NFC. This ensures fast internet speeds, stable connections, and convenience for contactless payments. The phone also retains the in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock for quick and secure access. In conclusion, the Vivo V40e brings a great combination of design, performance, and features at a competitive price. The display is vibrant, the cameras are reliable, and the battery life holds up well. If you're in the market for a stylish mid-range phone that doesn't compromise on essential features, the Vivo V40e is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. See you in the next one.